Those boot games, especially, you have to collect after playing anything.
Ako lang ang luma.
Tuwang-tuwa kaya suram sa'yo.
Bakit?
Kasi nga nag-lose ka, di ba, ng weight?
Ah.
Siya kasi nag-gain ng weight. Inaasar pa, wala ka ng leeg.
Ang sama.
Pero huwag yung gaganunin si Ram, ha? Kasi gagalang natin siya. Huwag mo siyang babasutin ng ginagawa ko.
HR mo na?
Operations manager siya. Trusted employees na yan. Simula pa dati pa.
Wow naman si Kaka. Ang daming bitin.
Ay, balik. Ato po.
Ilisip natin si baba kamo.
Wala na yung malaki.
Ito na lang.
Okay lang.
Sige, lagay mo na lang yan. Please.
Mr. Rami and Eric team. So, Rami and Eric, we pray for you. Sir, pangalan mo? Sir? John. Okay, we change the music. Gusto mo yung talagang pabor kay Babos? Ladies and gentlemen, John.
Guys put ahead, and it's fantastic. I can't put it into words. We're having a great year this year. It is moving in the right direction. But anyway, until then, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting us all these many years. We couldn't have done it without you. Okay?
Cheers! Raise your glasses and cheers!